I got the chassis out of the cabinet. Yeah, it just slid right off these little spaces. Pretty dirty. Yeah, I'm just gonna hose it down and sweep all the mouse poop out of here. See what it looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna flip this over. Let's see what. Oh, that was bad. I bet this thing would play. You had to put tubes in it. Well, underneath it's all nice and clean again. Maybe attach this knob so it works again. Well, I used some paste wax on the front. It seemed to help a little bit. Took some of the dullness out, made it nice and smooth. And the top looks great. I mean, it really, all that dirt is off. Everything's nice and clean again. Well, that's the next day. The cabinet's all dried out. Still stinks a little bit, but not too bad. Still airing it out. But I'm going to work on the cabinet with some 4/0 steel wool and Howard's Restore finish. Try to get some of these rough spots out, these little white marks, and maybe see what kind of finish is left on this thing. Sorry for all the background noise. I've got a fan going in here because when you use that Restore finish, fumes can get pretty strong if you're in an enclosed area. But check this out. This is after 2 coats. Got rid of all the white marks inside. Got all nice and cleaned up in there. The sides, the back. So remember, that's where the mouse ate it, but it was all cleaned up. And that big scratch in the side is still there, but it's not as bad. So really cleaned up. Next, I'm going to put in some of the feeding wax they say you should use. It'll add protection to what I just did and then shine it up a little bit more. I think the cabinet cleaning is done. I mean, I got about 3 coats of the beeswax on top. It really came out nice. This looks a lot nicer than I thought it was going to. Even inside, I got that all cleaned up. Got this metal label all shined up. Still got the King label up there. Yeah, this all looks 1,000 times better than what it did. The sides, it has a little bit of a shine to it. There's some depth to it now. The back. Still see the scratch, but it's not that bad. But yeah, I'm really happy the way this turned out. So what I'll probably do is, once I get the chassis out, I'll just go through and do all the measurements, see what's good, what's not, any coils are open, and just mark on the schematic what's good, what's bad. And if I would happen to stumble across a couple O&As, semi-reasonable price, I might just buy 2 or 3 and see if this thing will work. This really looks nice. I'm really happy with it. Alright, that's going to be it for this video because I'm kind of limited to about 5 or 6 minutes with my phone memory. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time and then show you the next project that I have lined up. The restoration is not going to be nearly as easy as this one. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.